You know that feeling when you're coding and everything just clicks? Imagine having that feeling every time you open your terminal. Today, we're going over the top 5 terminal commands that can make that happen. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Jeremy, and this channel is all about helping you to become a better developer with the latest tools and techniques. Okay, let's dive in. Let's kick things off with our first command, ls. This simple but mighty command is key to understanding your surroundings in the terminal. I use it all the time to make sure I'm in the directory that I think I'm in. When you type ls and hit enter, the terminal will list out all the files and directories in your current location or directory. It's like taking a quick glance around the room to see what's there. You see all those names popping up? Those are the files and directories in your terminal's current location. ls has a ton of options or flags that will give you even more detailed information. For example, ls-l gives you a long format listing that includes permissions, number of links, owner, group, size, and time of last modification. ls-a will show you all files including hidden ones. You can combine these options and type ls-la, which will list out all the files including hidden ones in a long format. Another thing to note is you can use ls to list the contents of a specific directory other than the current one. For example, ls/etc will list out the contents of the etc directory. Moving right along, let's talk about our second command, cd. This is your teleportation device in the world of the terminal. The cd stands for change directory, and it's how you move from one directory to another. It's as simple as typing cd followed by the path to the directory you want to go to. For example, if you want to navigate to a directory called documents, you would type cd space documents and then hit enter. Now you're in the documents directory. You can use cd with different types of paths. If you type cd space ... it will take you up one level in your directory structure. And if you type cd with no path, it will take you back to your home directory. One more thing. When navigating directories, you can use absolute paths that start from the root directory or relative paths that start from your current directory. So cd/local takes you to exactly that location, while cd projects/my project takes you to the my project directory inside projects starting from your current location. With ls and cd combined, you can now navigate your file system like a pro. Alright, now that we're pros at navigating, let's learn how to read file contents directly in the terminal. Meet our third command, cat. Cat stands for concatenate, and its primary purpose is to display the contents of one or more files on the screen. It's as easy as typing cat followed by the name of the file. For example, if we have a file named example.txt, we could type cat space example.txt to read its contents right here in the terminal. The contents of your file will be displayed line by line. Cat is not limited to just one file. You can use it with multiple files. If we type cat example.txt space example2.txt, it will display the contents of example followed by example2. As you can see, example2 starts at the very end, including on the same line as the last line of example. I typically use this command to quickly view configuration or log files so that I don't have to open my text editor. Now let's dive into our fourth command, mkdir. This command allows you to create new directories whenever and wherever you need them. mkdir stands for make directory. It's as simple as typing mkdir followed by the name of the directory. For example, if we want to create a directory named new project, we would type mkdir space new project, and a brand new directory is created and ready to hold our files. You can also create directories in specific locations by providing the path where you want the new directory to be. For instance, mkdir space new project / new directory will create a new directory in the new project folder called new directory. Need to create a whole chain of nested directories? Make directory has a -p option that allows you to create multiple directories at once. If we type mkdir space -p space projects / 2023 / a, it creates the projects 2023 and May directories all at once. The -p option also allows you to create sibling directories by surrounding the directory names in curly brackets. For example, if we type mkdir -p space projects /2023 / curly bracket May, comma, June, comma, July, and then closing curly bracket, it creates the May, June, and July directories in the 2023 directory. Now let's explore our final command, rm. Think of it as your digital cleanup crew helping you to remove unnecessary files and directories. rm stands for remove. When you need to delete a file, rm is the command to use. It's as simple as typing rm followed by the name of the file. For example, if we want to delete a file named oldfile.txt, we would type rm space old file, and just like that, old file is gone. You can also delete files in specific locations by providing the path to the file. For example, rm space old directory / old file will delete the old file txt from the old directory. But what happens if we try to remove a directory using rm? Let's try rm space old directory. We get an error. By default, rm is meant for files, not directories. When you need to delete a directory, you must use the -r option. By typing rm -r old directory, we're telling rm to remove the directory and its contents recursively. And now, old directory and all of its contents have been deleted. A word of caution though, rm is permanent. Once a file or directory is removed, it's gone for good. There's no trash bin to go recover the files, so always double check before hitting enter. That's all for today. If you have made it this far, I really appreciate it. If you found this content helpful, be sure to check out some of my other videos that are aimed at helping you to become a better developer. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.